All right, so let's look at today's word of the day. So decade. Decade. So 10 years. Say 1990 to 2000. 2000 till 2010. 2010 till 2020. Decade. How cool is that? Yeah. This is a new decade. Yes. I changed a lot in the previous decade. Yeah. Things are different now in this decade. Yeah. It will grow a lot in this decade. Decade, yeah. They want to do a lot of things in this decade. Yes. He wants to travel a lot in the new decade. She cannot believe how fast that decade went by. She can't believe how fast that decade went by. So quick. Yeah. A lot has changed over the decades. Yeah, decades ago, you would not be able to watch my videos. Decades ago, I would not be able to learn Spanish as easily. How cool is that? Yeah. That decade was eventful. Yeah, a lot of things happened. A lot of things happened in that decade. Yeah. How cool is that? We're making our way through this decade. So by the end of this decade, I will have achieved a lot. Yes, I have a lot of things planned for this decade. Yes. How cool is that? What will happen in the next decade? Yeah, so I think a lot of new technology and developments will happen over this decade. Yes, so many cool things will happen. Yes. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. Decade, 10 years. So, can you use decade in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And subscribe to the channel, like the video, and subscribe. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah. On YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. And also on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.